that monograph, I looked, among other things, at this question of the independence of the judiciary, looked at the various provisions of the Constitution, and then highlighted some of the problematic provisions or omissions in the Constitution. I recall that that monograph, I don't have it with me now, but it's published. I looked at this problem of the size of the Supreme Court. It is an important issue for a variety of reasons. I mean, you've mentioned a number of the opinions of a number of the stakeholders. I noticed, however, that the stakeholders are all members of the legal or judicial sorority or fraternity. Now, let me say why this is not a matter, first of all, to be left to judges and lawyers alone. Trust in the judiciary and, for that matter, public confidence in the judiciary is a key, it's a very critical factor, right, for all of us as citizens, because it affects the willingness with which we may be inclined to turn to the courts as opposed to turn to self-help or any other place to resolve disputes that confront us. So judicial independence, and for that matter, trust and public confidence in the courts are critical for public order and social peace. We don't want people taking the law into their own hands, as we say. So recourse to the courts is what is usually recommended. It's also critical to the rule of law. Right? We have a system of laws